Today, we're going to explore how to create and host an app using Google AI Studio. Step 1. Open aistudio.google.com. This is where the magic begins. All right, now comes the fun part, entering the prompt that will generate our app instantly.
Here, I'll type Create an Image Generator app, but you can write any prompt you want based on your idea. Let's wait a moment while Gemini generates the app for us.
And boom! Our app has been successfully generated.
Now it's time to test the app. I'll enter the prompt, Generate an image of a man eating an apple. Let's see what we get. And there it is! Our app successfully generated the image. Up to this point, we've successfully created and tested the app. Now comes the final step, deployment. Before deployment, I'm going to integrate a database to store images and add password-protected access for better security.